I really loved the fact that, I was completely involved. I did not feel even a bit of exhaustion. It was very exciting. And just to be able to connect to nature and to learn so much from you, thank you. it was a delight. And to challenge my limits physically also, somehow. It was a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful beginning to the morning.
And in this jungle we have basically sal trees. This is basically a sal forest. These are all sal trees. Then there are other trees also, like pine. Pine is also here. Yes. But there is something very unusual about this jungle, the flora. Can you tell me? Can you spot something that is very unusual?
I think there are a lot of variety of trees that seem to exist in different habitats.
Yeah. Can you spot one?
I think these.
Yes, exactly. Palm trees.
Yeah.
These are not supposed to be here. And look at them. Look at them. They are spread all over the jungle. All over the jungle. So that's very unusual because they are not native to this place.
Mm-hmm.
This is called jamun here, and do you know it is a native of Java Island. So its name is actually Java plum.
Okay.
And what happened? Its fruit's name is jambulan. So in India we started calling jambulan, jamun. It became jamun.
Right.
Jambulan became jamun. This leaf, you have this powdery thing behind it, and you can have by pressing it on your wrist.
Is it a tattoo?
Yes.
Wow.
But now, because it's washed up, I don't think it is very effective in the monsoons.
Okay.
But when it's dry, it's very effective tattoo. Children like it very much.
Because the shape is also, this itself will make a very good tattoo.
Yes. Oh, this is fog.
It's all cloudy.
Yes, this is fog. It's dense fog today. Otherwise, you'd see entire valley.
I could spot fog from the restaurant as well.
Yes. So behind the trees we have Dehradun.
Okay.
Dehradun, Dun means valley. So Dun itself means valley. So it is Dehra Valley. Fungus on the fruit of vine tree. So this is a tree, and you see this tree. No, it's not a tree. It's, let me tell you why it is just not a tree. It's a tree, but just not a tree. You have, this moss.
Yeah.
Moss is here. Then there is lichen. This lichen is growing on the tree. Then you have fungus here,
Yeah.
and then you have many ants which are not seen right now because of rain, but they are also on the tree. Then you have many other insects surviving on the tree.
Spiderwebs.
Yes, you can see spiders, and the ant is also there. So we have found one. So think about it like a complete ecosystem. A tree is not just a tree. So when anybody fells a tree, so that person is destroying a complete ecosystem. It's not just a tree. So look at this creature. What is this thing going to be? Can you tell me?
Is this a centipede or a millipede? What is this?
No, this is going to be a butterfly
Oh.
or a moth. So this is a termite colony.
Wow.
So termites build it using cellulose of plants that is any dead plant. They use its cellulose, mud, and their excretion, and then they make this wonderful colony, which is air conditioned.
Oh, okay.
So it is very cool in summers inside,
Right.
and very hot in winters. Fully air conditioned. Now what happens, because of its functionality, cobras take care of it. They occupy it. They don't take care of it, they occupy it. So if we break it, we might find some cobras inside.
Oh God, okay. No, I think these are good.
Okay, so this is something very spectacular view of Dehradun Delhi from here, but due to fog, it's not much is not visible. But still, it looks very beautiful.
It does. It feels beautiful. I mean, the whole breeze, it's amazing.
More mushroom varieties there, just behind your feet, and now we are reaching the base camp of our Mount Everest. A local Mount Everest here. That's our tower.
Oh wow.
This is our highest point here. So that's why I call it our local Mount Everest.
I'm pretty sure nobody else from my family would ever venture into anything like this.
Oh. Yeah, please move ahead.
Oh shit. Okay. I hope I don't get us lost. I mean, we won't get lost.
Let's see.
I know, but this does look like a trail.
Yes, you're right.
Oh,
Now tell me, where is the way?
okay, now. Did we cross this? I don't even remember.
I don't know.
There is a trail. There is a trail.
Yes, you are right again. Now you are definitely jungle queen of 28th September because you not only managed to climb the tower but also find the right way. In fact, yes, I am sure you are going the right way
I think so.
so far, and now please lead me to the base camp, that is main road. Oh no, I knew. Yes, I knew at least at one place we will be wrong. So, it's very difficult. Here it is very difficult. Now, here is the right way.